The whole DNA of Liverpool has been shaped by the fact that it's a port, you know, and everything comes from the port. Employment came from the port. 1.5 million people came from Ireland because of the port. If you listen to people from Dublin, it's a very similar accent in many ways to a Liverpool accent. It's not an insular way of looking at things. It's a way of looking at, you know, what's beyond the horizon, you know. You look out into the Mersey and see the Three Graces, the Liver buildings, and it's a feeling of adventure. People used to go away to sea all the time. People used to disappear for years on end and then come back. You know, in other cities, because they were working in factories and mills, would have been totally different outlook to life, a more regimented outlook. Whereas that attitude from Liverpoolians was, no one tells us what to do, we do what we like. Liverpool have always seen themselves as being at the forefront of terrace fashion because they were travelling away, just like the forefathers done as seamen. Now they were travelling to Europe as well. There's a sense of one-upmanship, as the working class expressing themselves. People were on the hunt for the holy grail of the trainers who know what he's got. There was a sense of adventure, a sense of the unknown, you know, travelling away. So instead of ships have been replaced by trains. There was an entrepreneurial spirit there from Liverpoolians, and businesses were built on it. If you ever look across the city, particularly from brilliant vantage points like Everton Brow, where my mum was from, I got a feeling of pride because if you look at the city and you look, it's a very rebellious city in many ways, but it's also a city of solidarity and sticking together. You know, Liverpool's come out of the ashes. It's come out of mass unemployment. It's come out of the hard times, really. There's still problems in the city, of course, but there's a feeling of emotion there, and it's not hard to find. There's a city there of pride, of rebelliousness. Being a city of hardship and a city that you look to it and you think, if I wanted someone to stand up for me, it'd be a Scouser.
Hey kids, hope you're all well. So we're back again, obviously from the intro, and obviously I had to try my best to grab a pair of Adidas Liverpool 20 pairs of these, so over 2,000 pairs for the size anniversary. Very, very difficult to get hold of. Huge queues abound. You've all seen the queue that was in Liverpool itself. And obviously they had several hundred pairs, over 300 pairs of the 2,000. A percentage went online, and then the rest were dotted around their different stores. Hardcore to get these. Thumbs up to all the lads that I met in the queue for a few hours there. Yeah, quite quite a journey. They do come with this fantastic book from Size, or book, it's a magazine really, all about Liverpool, the city itself. It's got like a map on the front that you can detach and stuff like that. Really nice book. I'll go through that later anyway, separately. Let's have a look at the shoes, shall we? You know, sometimes you take what you can. I got an 8.5 because that's literally the best size left that I could get to me, and I'm pleasantly surprised actually. which I'll show you later. I'm normally a UK 9 in the City Series. However, these actually fit me better than your standard 9 would have. So happy days, I got lucky with that, pure luck. So otherwise, I was going to look to swap them for someone online. So let's go back to the box. Standard blue box externally, but with Liverpool detailing on the lid side. Inside the box, we do have a reversible box with the Twin City of Dublin, which is the theme for this set of releases by Size, harking back to the last collection that they released, which of course included Dublin. Some nice packing paper, again Size 20th anniversary, and I will get the shoes themselves out. So here they are. They are not a blue or a red colourway. Now, apparently the marketing team wanted to avoid any football references, so they actually went for, I believe, influenced by, strangely, Tate and Lyle syrup can. I'll throw that in here. Weird. Don't know what the thinking behind that was. Anyway, so yeah, we've had a few mixed internet sort of reports on these shoes. The versions I've got, these ones are absolutely fine. You can see the suede on these. Really nice. I don't really have any major complaints with the glue marks or anything like that. Good quality actually. You do get 2 lace swaps in the bag here. It's always nice little touch to get, I think that. And we'll do a toe to tongue. Nice dimpled tongue on the shoe. Now, these are sold out everywhere. They sold out online instantly. Say only 2,020 pairs. I think they're going for 300 to 500 online at the moment. Oh yeah, okay. Up to you if you want to pay that. Nice detail inside, of course. Liverpool 20th anniversary edition. And also on the rear of the heel of the shoe, you do have that lovely 1 of 2020 detailing. Really nice, yeah. Underneath, you've got continental sole units. Of course, Liverpool embossed gold on the side. Really nice. So that's it for the shoes, guys. So if you missed out, the aftermarket is insane at the moment. I don't know really, you know, you could probably do better with your money for that amount. You know, £400 or £500 is ridiculous. So if you weren't lucky enough to get them, I would always suggest moving on. Don't feed the resellers, please. We don't like that. Yeah, so nice shoes, guys. I'm sure you agree. If you like this style, it's a really good new entry into the City series. Yeah, that aftermarket price. I mean, Liverpool is the home of counterculture, the casual scene from the 70s and 80s, where everything sprung from across certainly the UK. That's where it all began. I don't think anyone really argues about that. So these are always going to be absolutely mental in such a limited number. Once again, a big shout out to all the lads I met in the queue there. absolutely fantastic experience, a bit surreal at times, but it was great. Now, I will get these on foot, and they're a bloody good fit. So I'll show you that now. I'll catch you next time, kids. Cheers. Normally a 9, but these 8.5s fit nicely, actually. Let's do the shots.